Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to email to subscribers on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your Shopify admin panel and go to customers, and now click the customer name you want to send email, and in the customer overview section, click the customer's email address. Edit the subject line for the email or leave it as the default. The shop.name automatically enters your store name into subject line of the email message. In the custom message box, enter your message. To receive a copy of the message for your records, under Send BCC to, check the appropriate email addresses. When you are finished, click on Review Email and click on Send Notification. And this is how we can send email to subscribers on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.